Oh, Mother Nature, your love is so great. The wind and the mountains remind us. The rivers sing with a gentle sound. Your beauty stays within our hearts. Oh, Mother Nature, we praise you. Oh, Mother Nature, we praise you. In all creation, we see God. Protect the earth, keep the light alive. Oh, Mother Nature, we love you forever. The trees and flowers bloom in the sunlight. The birds remind us of a beautiful life. We are the caretakers of this